Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be using all Wet n Wild products to create a affordable and inexpensive makeup look for all of you guys. I think it's perfect for the holidays and winter. The most expensive product that I'm using is $6.99, and let's get started. So I'm going to start out with my face because we're going to do a full face using these Wet n Wild products. I'm going to start out by using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation, and I'm in the shade Soft Ivory. Oh, it's like a, that's so weird. Like a little scraper spatula thing. Okay, well, I'm just going to apply it with this. It's like a metal stick in here. I've never seen that before. And then I'm just blending this out. So this foundation was only $6.49 where I got it, so it's super inexpensive. Definitely the most inexpensive foundation I've ever used. And it does work pretty nicely. It's like, it feels pretty light on my skin. I'm using the Photo Focus Concealer, and again, this is the shade Light Ivory. Like matches. This isn't going to be very brightening on me because it's kind of a little dark. Yeah. I think this was the lightest one that I could find though. Pretty good though. So the concealer does cover pretty good actually. Probably could have used a lighter one, but it's not too dark. It just kind of matches my foundation color. Now for brows, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Brow Pencil. Looks like this. It's double-ended, so you have the pencil and the spoolie, and this is in the shade Brunettes Do It Better. So I'm just going to fill in my brows with this. This pencil is really creamy, so that's kind of nice. So I don't have to press super hard with this pencil to draw them on or to fill in my brows. And I'm just going to use some concealer and clean these up a little bit. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm going to use the lighter shade to set kind of as my powder, and then obviously the contour shade to contour. I'm using this yellow powder and just setting under my eyes and anywhere that I want my face to be highlighted. Using the contour shade, and I'm just going to contour the rest of my face with this. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. Now I'm using the Nude Awakening eyeshadow palette. It's super pretty, such great fall and winter shades, perfect for the holidays. You've got some mattes and some more shimmery shades. So I'm going into this light matte shade and just applying this all over my lids. Now I'm going into this transition shade that even specifically says transition. And I'm going to apply this into my crease. Into this matte burgundy shade, and I am also applying this into my crease. And now I'm going to go into the darker matte transition shade and apply that to my outer corners and into my crease. These eyeshadows are actually pretty pigmented. I'm pretty impressed. This palette was only $6.99, so once again, an inexpensive eye palette and really nice quality. To actually also go in with a little bit of this black, even though it has some shimmer in it, and I'm going to add this to my outer corners, and then I'm going back in with my concealer and I'm just going to cut my crease, but only I'm cutting from the inner corner to about halfway on my lids. In with a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'm going into the matte burgundy shade, and I'm just going to apply this onto where we just put on some concealer and really soften that edge so that it looks blended. And then to the inner quarter part of my lids, I am applying this shimmery shade and just popping that right there. Now I'm going in with this single glitter eyeshadow in the shade Brass from Wet n Wild as well, obviously. And I'm using a brush and just picking up some of this product, and it kind of comes up as a loose glitter, which I don't know if it'll focus, but it comes up as a loose glitter. I just wet my brush a little bit just so I could pick up a little bit more glitter at one time, and I'm just tapping this on to the inner quarter. So basically where we applied that concealer earlier, I'm just tapping it. And then for my lower lash line, I'm going in to the burgundy again. And just applying this to my lower lash line. I'm going to go back into this light shimmery color, and I'm going to apply this to my inner corners and also to my brow bone. Now I'm using the Wet n Wild H2O proof liquid eyeliner. I thought this was a felt tip. It's not. It doesn't move. It just stays like that. So now I'm just going to apply a pair of lashes. So now for blush, I'm using this Bloom Time highlighter, but it's a pink shade, so I'm just going to be using this as my blush. Thought it was just so pretty. And for highlighter, I'm using this I'm So Lit loose highlighting powder. So I'm just using this in the cap because there's so much in here and I don't know how pigmented this is gonna be, so oh my god. Okay, this is so nice. Really nice highlighter. Oh my gosh. If you guys haven't noticed, highlighter, just like when highlighters are super pigmented, it like makes the look for me. Such a nice highlighter. I have to apply some here. Like a really close dupe for the Kylie highlighters. This was actually only $6.99. Amazing. There's a ton of product in here. This will last you so long. I mean, look at that. You need this in your life. So to finish this look, I am using the Wet n Wild Secret Muse lipstick, and this is kind of just a dark, like a deep nude lipstick shade. So that's a really nice shade. Super creamy, not matte, it does have a little bit of a shine to it. So this is the finished look. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell button when you subscribe. It's right next to it to turn on my post notifications so you're notified when I upload every single new video. I upload a new video every week, so be sure to go check out last week's video. Really liked all these products. The most expensive product out of all of these was $6.99, so these products are super affordable. You can find them at pretty much any drugstore, Ulta, those kinds of places, and they are pretty nice quality, especially for the price. Super impressed with that highlighter, and I even am loving this glitter. I will have all of the products that I used in today's video listed down below in the description. So you guys can also find me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook at Victoria Costanz, and on Twitter at Vic Costanz. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!